Good day, everyone. Time for weather news today with J7409. The name you know, the news you can use. Folks, I'm going to have to start doing my weather forecast a little differently if I don't want to get penalized by YouTube. My videos are way too long for YouTube to even recognize them. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the general forecast of what is actually happening. Then I will break it down into severe weather for today, the potential for severe weather for today, temperatures and snow amounts and hazardous weather and warnings and things of that sort. Each one will be in a different video. I will have links below so you guys can see what's going on and just click on them and you can go right to that area. Okay, so with that all said and done, thanks for being with me today. Of course, is Sunday, the 15th day of April 2018. We are looking at the NAM map for the general forecast. I told you we had another system coming in. This is another low that's going to be bringing more things across. This is what it's looking like this morning. So let's get going with what is happening. Okay, here we go. We know this really big, robust storm system is going to continue to spread heavy snow across the Great Lakes region, as well as strong to severe thunderstorms from the southeast to the mid-Atlantic that will be capable of yielding heavy rain. Lots of rain is coming with these storms, okay? Now, because of the big difference in the temperature gradient across much of the Ohio and mid-Mississippi valleys, freezing rain will be possible. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, and blizzard warnings span from southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, all the way to Maine. To the south, widespread to numerous showers and thunderstorms will develop along and ahead of the associated front as it tracks from the Ohio Valley into the southern mid-Atlantic by this afternoon. Now, much of the south central eastern seaboard has been included in the slight risk area for severe thunderstorms. Okay, now the showers and thunderstorms will move off the southeast southern mid-Atlantic coast overnight. That's when I should get most of mine. Anybody who is on the borders here, tonight will be when the severe weather rolls through. Okay, meanwhile, yep, a front along the Pacific Northwest coast that I was telling you all about yesterday is going to move inland to the northern Rockies and the Great Basin area into parts of Southern California by Monday, tomorrow. Now, the snow levels will lower as the boundary moves inland. Rain will begin to move over parts of Northern California by today as in the higher elevations of the Pacific Northwest. And it's going to change over to snow. And by this evening, rain will move into parts of central California as snow develops over the higher elevations of Northern California. Overnight Sunday snow will expand into parts of the Great Basin and the Sierra, with coastal rain continuing over the Pacific Northwest and northern and central California coast. Please be aware, this is the NAM map. This is what the weather is supposedly going to be forecast for every area in the United States for the next 2.5 days or the next 60 hours. This map is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. I want everyone to please pay attention to this purple freezing rain line. Freezing rain line. As the snow moves northward. Please pay attention to that. It will make weather hazards tremendous in those areas. You can see that spreads all the way to Maine. Okay, so be careful, friends. I've got more coming up. Click show more. You'll find the links for each specific category of my usual weather forecast down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like. I hate to have to break it up like this, but if I want YouTube to get my videos out to people, I'm going to have to do it this way. Thanks again. Much peace, love, and kindness to all.